ang husay ng mga school head. Ang husay ng mga school head to harness support from education champions. Sanay na po tayo dyan. Di po ba? Sanay na po tayo dyan. Hindi po nakakahiya na makinig ng tulong basta para po sa ating mga mag-aaral. Next po. So, tingnan po natin itong framework na to. In this framework, you will see several key elements there. So, you have the beneficiaries, the determination and assessment of learners. We also have intervention and progress checks, and then the post-assessments. Kailan ba nag-start yung ARAL program? This ARAL program already began during the beginning of school year assessments. Nung nag-administer po tayo ng BOSNI assessments, ano-ano po ba yung ibinigay natin during the beginning of school year? We administered
Diagnostic test.
CRLA, field theory, and RMA, and we also had MFAT. Para saan na nga po ang MFAT? To determine kung baka may mga underlying reasons that might affect the learner's capacity to grasp or cope with their subjects. Di po ba? So, yun po yung mga binigay natin. So, from there, we were able to determine who will be our beneficiaries from the different levels. Mula doon sa mga returning to schools, mga palit-aral, or yung mga bata after a furlough. Second, yung mga nag-fail or yung below the minimum proficiency level in science, math, and reading. And pangatlo, yung continuously ay nag-fail sa kanilang mga classroom assessments. So, dyan po nanggagaling or dyan manggagaling ang ating mga